I say, I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch, stole her. I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need no Molly to be savage. But when I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. My girl the definition.
It's your boy Kid the Kid, and I'm back with another video in this building. And today I'm gonna be doing a prank at the shop on the Plaza Bridge, not far from here. Shit, how's y'all day be going and shit? No, y'all ain't see me in a while. And them thing I know y'all see me in a while. Yeah, and today I'm gonna be going at the shop, and the prank will be I will be acting extra noisy. I'm gonna go for buy something. Which I ain't really gonna buy something, so I might just go buy some little shit. Not knowing directly or knowing major. But yeah, I'ma just annoy you, push around shit, put the camera on shit. See? Me make a video in a while and me ain't nothing to do. I thinking about things to talk about in the comment section. You could put any topic where you want to talk about, cause me really want to do pranks and them things just yet. Like if you want to get to know me like a Q&A, like a part 2 for the intro, yeah, that would be better. Like, all them questions that I write down by myself. I didn't ever go right now on Facebook or no other social media at the moment for see what question I want to ask. But in the comment section, you could just write questions where you want. It's like on the road to a K. Well, for right now, on the road to a K, which me for no. I don't know me really get no subscribers. This is the second video. I may really share the link to the first one. But I know this is gonna be a banger, cause you know that right now it's gonna get turned. Oh yeah, and one thing y'all don't forget to go and subscribe to my music channel, which I'll be saying on dancehall and any hip hop that I make gonna start going on this same Daily Kiddo channel. Yeah, and the name for that is Kiddo Music. I think it might be a link in the description if I feel like looking it. That's dangin'. Time to start up the prank. Shopping there far from here. It's like going there. Terrace. Make sure you get it's like yeah, so now I reach at the shop. It's the perfect time. Nobody in the shop but me, see? It's like now, you don't know what I'm gonna do. Go and be extra nice. It's right! Inside! Please, 20 that Chico. Yeah, for sure. I got 50, I think. What's up, Chico? Nah, yeah, 100. I got some Chico in this place, Auntie. Be that Chico. Good. Sight. Oh, yeah, they got so far. Eh? Oh, you guys. You guys normal, we make it normal, why ain't fun? Eh? See how much how much fruit da? You know fruit da? Where guys? See that bottle of water then? Say, gotta get water. I get water, just thirsty, take it long. Take it long to bring this water, Auntie. Try to go to the station or what? Take it long. Oh my god. Go take long next time. You can get just take in this place. Say me. Yeah, I'm back. I gotta really explain and tell me how this shit went. This is the first time we're doing a prank, right? Ever in my life, once I saw the camera, plus, me, you know, man, I don't think it went well. I gotta explain to me how it goes. I can tell you how it goes. Yeah, I gotta tell me how it goes. Bring a part 2. 10 likes for part 2. Shameful, like really shameful. 10 likes for part 2, right? 10 likes and get a part 2. Me really know how it went. Yeah. 10 likes for part 2. I gotta tell me how this. Yeah, and nothing is too big you could achieve anything. Just got grind card. Me, I coming from the bottom right now. Me really got no subscribers, and this is the second video. I'm supposed to done at least touch 100. But me even worrying about it, like, fuck that, and give a fuck. It's like, and it's your boy, Kiddo, signing out.
Long gone.
Like this video, the day, this every day.
Long gone.